as a deeper view into our universe in the theory of perpetual energy, Part 1. We have determined that energy transfers to matter via black holes acting as a catalyst in holding and releasing energy to matter in a repetitive process. The shape of our universe is spherical. It would demand that a positive and negative charge would be a result outside of our sphere, holding it together, causing expansion and eventually contraction. We perceive our universe via photonic energies that travel in wavelengths like the ripple of a pebble dropped in a still pool of water. When a black hole releases photons, quarks and bosons stream out of both sides of the black hole in the form of two brilliant lights. This reacts with the dark matter and forms atoms. The atoms begin to collide, resulting in a mass collision of fusion and heat, forming larger bodies. To continue, a simple explanation for gravity is the result of mass moving through time and space. The process slows as our universe is created. However, another result occurs as energy transfers into mass. As with the properties of electricity and sound, an alternate frequency is created with every energy surge. A new layer of the universe occupies the same space, but the energy shifting causes a slight shift in the frequency vibration. A new layer is built. Humans vibrate at a certain frequency, and our brains can only perceive matter whose photons vibrate in the same frequency rate via our eyes and brain, which reorders photons absorbed and presents us with the image. It is this multi-layered universe that will present us with the largest challenge to deep space travel. Assuming a vehicle could obtain speed or could fold time and space, space and time are not constant, and our vehicle could never return to the same point in time and space it left from. If a vehicle could alter the frequency it vibrates at, it could pass between the many frequency layers of our universe. To better understand the workings of the multi-layered universe at the simplest level, if you were to imagine a large beach ball, that would represent our spherical universe. Slide a plate inside it, standing vertically in the middle. Place another plate horizontally, like a letter T, if you will. The point that intersects is where we live, and vibrate at the same frequency rate. Now keep adding plates in sequence. Each added plate would vibrate at a different frequency. As energy passes through the multi-layers like electricity, there are surges and drains, causing cosmic strings as it tears into the fabric of our space and time. It then settles and adds to the energy in our area. Other energy is displaced and, in the same fashion, forces itself into another layer. The process repeats in a feedback loop. As energy transfers and moves, so does time and space. New plate layer upon layer are added as time and space move. These layers are not detectable to us with our naked senses, as they vibrate at a different molecular frequency than we do. Thank you for viewing. See us next time.